So now we have covered our catalog, component categories and presets. So now let's move to quotation and then we'll see how these presets are very much helpful for you. So let's say I'll go to my particular lead. I'll open, let's say for this for Mr. Ramesh, I want to make a quotation. So I'll click on this quotation generator and I'll click on add quotation, name it as modular quote for Mr. Ramesh, and in the type I would select the modular option and I can click on create. So if you are a pro or enterprise customer, you would have an option of adding both modular and a normal item in one quotation. But if you are in growth, then you can only add modular in the modular quotation. You can't mix up the quotations. So this preset template I have shown you in my normal quotation 2.0 how you can create that. So for that you can please follow that video. So now we'll click on plus quotation and then we'll add a modular item. So let's say this is my kitchen. So now I would apply the preset. So let me just before applying the preset I will show you how you have to add, right? So I will select one category, that is my kitchen base unit, and then let me just open the option. So this is the option that I'm selecting. So whatever I have defined in my module are added here. So now I can click on apply preset and I can directly apply my kitchen preset here and I can click on apply. So now everything that I have made, okay, along with the shutter, if you can see the edge band, the add-ons, and in the carcass, what is the edge, what is the carcass material, what is the visibility, what is the back panel, along with the shelves, what is the drawers that are there, right, along with handles, hinges, accessories, everything is added and I don't have to do anything. It just took me seconds. What I did, I selected the module and I selected a preset and then I add on an item. So my item is added. Let me just show you once again and I'll do it currently for my wardrobe. So I'll click on plus, go to add modular, select my catalog, that is my wardrobe, select let's say triple shutter wardrobe, and then I'll apply the preset of wardrobe and apply. Done. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to even change the specifications because this is what I generally use. But still, in case in future, let's say you want to change the options, you can directly change it. So we have added one more thing. If you click on any of these, it would show you the area, perimeter and the price. And if I click on this, in the drop down, so it would show you what is the box price, what is the board price, what is the back panel, everything it would show you. And here if you click on this I dot, it would show you the breakdown of the pricings also. And then I can currently, you can see I am not able to add an item. So if I scroll down and see what is the main issue why I cannot add an item, is because I have not added the mechanism. So I would, let's say, use it and then I can add an item. So in this way I can easily make my modular quotation. I have done no calculation, I have applied no formula. All I have done is I have made different presets and I have added my different modules. So just select what module you want and what is the preset that you want to apply, and then you are done. Within seconds, you can make modular quotations, right? And then if you want to use this, you can just customize it accordingly. What columns you want, for example, I don't want dimensions here. So in this way, I have my perfect quotation made, along with the whole payment plan, my bank details, terms and conditions, and my last page. Everything within seconds.